Hello everyone, welcome to Happy English Kids, Unit 3, Numbers and Colors. 7 dogs, puppies, 7 puppies. What color are the puppies? The puppies are brown. How many puppies? There are 7 puppies. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 puppies. Kittens, 8 kittens. What color are the kittens? The kittens are purple. How many kittens? There are 8 kittens. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 kittens.